I went out to recreation, handcuffed, ankle shackles and handcuffed to a table that you supposed to feel safe going out there to them tables. And me and 3 other inmates, we go out there to them tables. Remind you, we playing spades. I was like, wow, this can't be happening. You get what I'm saying? So I got up and the other inmates got up, but we trying to get out our cuffs. We trying to get out.
Our heart goes out to the victims in this case. Yes, Mr. Rinke's in prison for life, but these inmates, these gentlemen that were there, regardless of whatever reason they were in prison, they have a right to be protected. I have no basis to believe this was a setup.
They didn't want me to come home, and they didn't want me to shine a light onto that institution.
Do we know if this person was held in a restrictive unit, like solitary? What's taking them so long to get there? If they are in general population, it would be great to know if this is routine. My gut instinct or my hunch, would say that that the correctional officer failed to do their job.